Hey everybody, welcome to the JY Dog channel, and I've got a special surprise today. If you've been watching my channel, you probably know I built a small air conditioner truck, a 10-foot box truck into an RV, and that was great, but it didn't suit our family needs very well. So I got a new idea, and this I got while I was building the other one. I learned a lot of things from them. Is to use a shuttle bus. And I don't know if you saw one of my other videos, but I had a picture of a shuttle bus that was 4-wheel drive and everything, and that I've stuck in my head. I've been looking for one ever since, and they're kind of hard to find. Every time I found one, it would end up getting sold right away. Yeah, this is way off base for me because usually I don't go for the black vehicles. I always have white trucks and white vehicles, but I found this, and it was in Atlanta. It's got a few issues with it. It's leaking around the windows, so I got it for a good price because you know, it's got some defects and stuff like that. Somebody, you know, kind of scraped it right here, but nothing bad. I mean, I could put a wrap on it, it would look, you know, like new. So what we have here is a 2006 Terra 15-passenger shuttle bus. It's got just a tick over 100,000 miles on it, but for some reason the engine blew up at 70,000 miles and was replaced with a brand new factory Ford engine. So the engine in it is got probably about 40,000 miles, 40,000 miles on it, and I've got the paperwork that proves it and everything. So I ended up lucking out on that. But yeah, other than that, I got to fix the leak around the windows, and I think I have a good base for a project. My wife and I, we went to the Tampa RV show, and our favorite campers there were the Soul Horizon travel trailer. I think that's like about a 14-foot travel trailer, and we liked the way it was laid out and everything. But we liked the Winnebago Echo. That was our favorite RV at the whole show. And this just happens to be about the same size. I think it's a foot short of what the Winnebago Echo size is. It's right at 22 feet, so it will fit in a normal parking spot. So you could drive it up anywhere and fit in a normal parking spot. I think it's 9 foot high at the tallest right now without any air conditioner on the top. So it's got this nifty little electric door here. For right now, I'm going to keep it. It's got a pretty nice interior. One of the reasons I got this fairly cheap is because there's a leak right here, and it's right along. I don't know if this is the window it's leaking, or it must be the window itself. But I'm probably going to have to take it back apart and just reseal the windows, make sure everything's pretty solid. But first order is to get all these nice seats out of here, which these are the same manufacturer for the Echo seats. I don't know if you noticed that new Winnebago Echo. They use Friedman seats, which is the same maker of these seats, which is pretty cool. They seem to be pretty lightweight and comfortable. Man, if somebody was 6 foot, I'm about 5'10 and a half, 5'11, somewhere around there, and I just barely scraped the roof. So, yeah, this fan isn't for somebody who is taller than 5'11. So, other than that, it's going to work out nice. And the previous owner, I think he redid the headliner in it. the same time he was trying to repair the windows. But anyway, I'm gonna have to probably pop these windows back out, and if I do that, I may, since the bed is going to be back here, I may move the exit windows to the back here. In the bed. My layout is going to be, we're going to leave these seats up here and put like a little table here and have this swivel around, so we have kind of like a little dinette. Going to have a wall right here, maybe a curved wall, if you can see how I laid the tape out. The toilet's going to go right there because it doesn't hit the frame going underneath, and I could possibly put a holding tank going along the frame rail over there. I'm going to have to remove the air conditioning that's built into here, which, you know, I won't be using that anyway because it's really made, you know, for driving down the road and having a compressor while the engine's running. I need something else that I can just plug into shore power. So this is going to be the bathroom, and the shower is going to have, it's going to have the wheel well in here, which is okay. It gives you enough room to stand in here, take a shower. And so I'm going to have to build a little frame around that, and the toilet's got to go there. Like I said, I'm trying to squeeze everything I can into this tiny little space. And also, my wife wants, one of the things, like she prefers this toilet. I think I do too, with a holding tank. It just seems more durable. The cartridge one I had last time was made by Thetford. The lid on it cracks, and it's like $50 for a new lid, and this is more like a residential type of toilet. So that's what we're going to go with this time. I'm going to do my best to get that in here. So I'm going to probably leave the walkway going through here. Over here is going to be a kitchen. We're going to have a sink similar to this, and the sink is probably going to go here. The refrigerator is probably going to go right here. The bed is going to be a full-size bed. I could, you know, squeeze a queen in here, but my wife and I, we can sleep on a full, no problem. And I am probably going to have to put a rooftop air conditioner. And the only one I can think of that I really like right now is a Coleman Mach 8. And it's the low-profile ones. And it's they make a black one, but man, they sure are expensive, like way more than I want to spend. I thought about a split system, and there's just no room on there. You know, if you want to keep it looking decent and not have a, you know, they don't make one small enough to go in here, at least that I can buy there. I think they sell them in Canada that are smaller, but that's the plan so far. That's the way I'm going to lay out, and it should go along pretty quick, I think. I just got to do the repairs on the windows to make sure that they don't leak. And I got to build a frame for the bed. I haven't decided how high I'm going to have it up yet, but it's probably going to be fairly high. I want to be able to sit on the bed. Also, I think I want to make it so that, like on the other camper, that the bed raises up, and then I'm going to have storage underneath the bed as you raise it up, and then just lay out clothes and stuff like that. And then below that, I'm going to have drawers that pull out probably right here. I don't have a lot of room to work with. This is pretty tight space. More than the box camper had, for sure. And this is safer than the box camper. This has got a metal cage. As you can see, a metal cage that goes around it. And I've got, you know, factory seat belts. Seats are secured by these rails. Also, I think when I mount everything in here, I'm going to do it kind of modular, and I'm going to use these the rail system to bolt everything in, which is like nice and convenient. I don't know about the shower. Maybe the shower's more of a permanent thing, so maybe I'll still mount it and secure it with that, but I'll probably have to secure it up here a little bit also. So I guess I'm probably going to have to remove some of this to do the AC and some of the cabinetry. To cover the windows, I'm thinking about just having kind of like a curtain rail and have sliding curtains go across here, real thick sliding curtains with insulation in the curtains. That's probably the simplest way to do it, and you can black it out super easy. You can open them up and keep the windows without permanently getting rid of anything. So that's the plan anyway. I've got just enough room to work with, and hopefully everything works out okay. I gotta find me some seat swivels. I think I know where to look for those. I've got to find a nice 12-volt fridge to go in here. I want a vertical one this time where the door opens up, so I'm gonna have to do that. I don't know how high I'm gonna go up here. I may put a microwave up here too. Maybe I don't want to close it in up here. I need to really leave this part open because I've got such a narrow walkway through here. About 24 inches across will be my walkway. My countertop's going to be, I guess, about 20 inches out. And then I'm gonna not permanently mount a stove. I'm gonna have a portable stove that you can use inside or outside. A little bit of storage under there also. Probably water tank and probably batteries over here, and then probably electrical system somewhere back there. Something that's easy to get to. I have to figure that out also. Okay, that's the plan. If you guys have any ideas, anything you can add to that, I'd love to listen to them. And just comment down below. And eventually, I do have ideas of, I would like to make this 4-wheel drive, but that's going to be way down the road. Right now I want to get it laid out. I want to be able to use it and make sure it's exactly what my family needs. So, all right, I'd love to hear thoughts on this. Thanks for watching, guys.
Hey, thanks for watching my channel. And if you haven't subscribed already, please do for future updates. Remember, build it, don't buy it.